In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is a video tutorial on how to create an Amadeus PNR in Graphical User Interface, or GUI, mode. Even if you don't know Amadeus cryptic entries, you will still be able to create an Amadeus PNR or booking file. To search for flights, click on the air icon. On the landing page, All Fares is selected by default to search for fares and availability at the same time. We will switch to Availability, AN, from drop-down list. By default, your terminal location or associated airport 3-letter code, Addis Ababa, ADD, is filled in the origin box. You can change this if you need to search from a location other than your terminal. The current date is set to March 16, 2026. Press the Tab key to move to the destination box. Type the 3-letter code or location name here. For example, type LHR, and the system will automatically pop up London Heathrow for your confirmation. Once confirmed, click on the calendar icon. Here you can select your travel date. In our example, we will use April 30, 2026. You may leave the airline box empty to search all airlines, but in our example, we will enter QR for Qatar Airways. Once you press Tab, the return origin is automatically filled with London Heathrow, LHR. If you are flying from a different location, you may replace it. In the next box, enter your return destination. In our case, it is back to Addis Ababa, ADD. Click on the calendar icon and select the return date, May 13, 2026. Enter Qatar Airways, QR, in the airline box. Next, click on the More Search Options hyperlink. Here, one seat is entered by default, which you can change according to the number of seats required. The default sorting settings are applied, and search by Availability, AN, is selected. We will keep these default settings. Click on the search button to initiate the flight search. The outbound ADD to LHR and inbound LHR to ADD flight options are now displayed. By default, the first outbound flight options are shown, with the remaining 26 flight options available on the next pages. Here, the inbound flight options are also displayed. Now, we are selecting outbound option 1, which has 2 legs, QR 1428 from Addis Ababa to Doha, and QR 003 from Doha to London Heathrow. You can choose S-Class for both legs, or you may select V-Class for leg 1 and S-Class for leg 2, as required. We will book S-Class for both legs. There are 26 more flight options for the outbound journey. Click on the Book button to book the selected outbound flights. The flights are now successfully shown in the itinerary section. Now, let's select the inbound flights. We have selected S-Class for both legs from London Heathrow to Addis Ababa via Doha. Click on the Book button to book the inbound flights. These flights are now successfully shown in the itinerary section. Next, click on the Show Booking File hyperlink. The booked flights are showing in the Product section of the booking file. Click on the drop-down icon to enter passenger and contact details. In the title box, enter MR. In the passenger type code, or PTC box, ADT is selected by default, but you can select your required PTC. In the last name box, enter Smith for the surname or family name. In the first name box, enter John for the given name. In the ID code box, you can enter the passenger's ID or date of birth. For the contact type, select an option from the drop-down list. In our case, mobile is selected. In the contact box, enter the mobile number. You can also enter an email address if you need to communicate via email. Click on the Save button to save the passenger and contact details. In the Received From box, enter Jane, representing the person who contacted you to create the booking file or PNR. In the Ticket Arrangement box, AT for At Airport is selected by default. You can select another option from the drop-down list as required. We will select OK. Click on the Save and Confirm (ER) button to create the booking file or PNR. Here, you can see the GMT time and date for the saved booking file. Here are the booking file details with the Amadeus PNR reference. In the booking file information section, you will find the Amadeus Record Locator or PNR, as well as the airline record locators. Click on the Show in Command Page hyperlink. Now, our created booking file or PNR is displayed in cryptic mode. You can switch between graphical and cryptic mode at any time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.